Meu Deus, Márcio, que é isso? Ok, né? Sumiu todo mundo. Ah, não, sumiu não.
For this sort of video, we need to listen for it. If there is anyone that announced that the police department had issued a blizzard warning, the evening had been easy. If you know someone is outside, take immediately or take shelter or stay indoors. If you have a time or able to find a house, you could stay indoors or stay in a safe place. If you're not done ready, we would see. People has been discovering we're sorry to say that the blizzard announced that the police department has started to fall but the powerful ice on a before it is gonna be soon. Television channels across the United States has been in floor area. This is happening. If you don't want to get a blizzard, you must hide or take shelter in a secure, safe shelter. If you have a time or able to find a shelter, you should pray to her, which means you can stop attacking our planet. It's important to know that the message is not a drill. As we speak, the blizzard is slowly moved towards the Long Island, and it has been melt onto the towns and cities. Has been installations found. If you're done already, we just to the shelter before it's too late, or you'll likely be lazy by as soon as we reach this country.